DEVit Conf! Woo! All right. Well, on.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Jamie.
Hello, Jenny.
First of all, hi.
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 Hi there.
Hi there.
Hi, Jenny.
So this is the 4th year, okay?
This is the 3rd year for me.
Welcome to DEVit 2018.
Every time we grow bigger and bigger and bigger.
There's a strong core of people who want to take everything that's here and just keep lifting it, lifting it, lifting it.
And we'd like to get it as big as possible.
I love that the heart of the Greek tech community is beating here in Thessaloniki.
Most of the people that we interviewed today said that the best part of DEVit is the community.
Networking is the best thing about DEVit.
The hallway track's really one of my favorites, just getting to know the people at the conference.
Organization, networking opportunities, everything went really smoothly and really well.
There are so many international speakers.
Well, I came here from Israel to speak about atomic design.
I was holding a workshop yesterday about solid design principles.
My talk was about behavior-driven development.
Well, I was really excited to bring this topic to a developer audience. Normally I speak at design conferences.
I really like DEVit. It's really nice, like well-rounded, you know, you've got from the UI all the way to the back end. It's really cool.
I like this concept. It's really good.
I just recently toured 6 different events, and this is the only one that actually has this kind of community. It's really fun to be here. Lots of young people, great nightlife. The organizers.
Every year it's a new experience. It's time to look forward to.
It's about everything web development. It doesn't leave anything out.
It went great actually, and I was very surprised because everyone was very involved and it was very interactive, and I think people got to learn a lot.
Those guys were super sharp until the end. They kept me on my toes, asked lots of questions, they looked happy at the end.
I like how it's organized. It's very well organized. People are really very friendly.
My talk is going to be a 360 journey, which is very convenient because this is a 360 conference.
I've got my robot again. You might remember him.
No trace has been detected.
And well, hopefully it's going to work. So that should be fun. And if not, it's going to be fun anyway.
I'm doing a lot here. Speaking, workshops, panels, playing guitar.
Taylor Swift, okay?
Cause the code is gonna code. And the hate is gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off.
Awesome.
Awesome.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, I'm absolutely loving.
That was awesome.
Beautiful organization and everything is so good.
I'm very happy that something like that happens to Thessaloniki.
We are so glad we are part of this organization.
We love DEVit, and we're gonna sponsor DEVit every year.
Thessaloniki is always nice here to visit, so we love coming here.
We are looking for senior software developers to join our team in the Netherlands.
We are searching for the good, dynamic, interesting persons to join our team.
We're here because we're looking to recruit new people, young people who are looking to join a high-tech company.
We are looking, first of all, to expose our own developers to state-of-the-art technologies, but we also to be in touch with the developer community across Europe.
To make some networking and get in touch with other companies
that they might be interesting to our services.
The thing that I like the most is that there's a lot of passionate people here that came here to learn, and they're very open to learning new things and seeing where the world is going, which is a fantastic feeling. It's very infectious.
Definitely, I don't know, the enthusiasm of the people, so much energy.
Everything is amazing, the people, the speeches, the speakers, all the activities and workshops is amazing.
Also for me it's good to, get inspiration from other companies, and there's a good mix of senior and junior people, so everything has been positive so far.
It is great, and it gets bigger and better every year, and I'm very happy to see that.
So we come up here and we spy.
Thank you for having us. It's been really great being here. Both the workshop and today has been brilliantly organised and just full of fantastic people.
Sakis is your designer. He's our designer too.
DEVit Week was great. All in all, it's been really fantastic.
I love DEVit Week.
The food as well.
The food here is amazing.
The food is awesome.
Amazing food.
The food is great.
The food is awesome.
Well, thank you very much for having me. It's been great. I'd be happy to come back anytime.
I'm definitely going to come back.
Everybody else, you can be jealous. This is my favorite conference.
I will give you the simple answer on privacy. You have none, you never have, and you never will again. Okay, we got that settled now.
You have been following me the whole interview process.
Yeah, because I'm like the sound recorder, so I have to follow the one who's holding the microphone.
Jenny wanted to give me this one. Thanks, Jenny. In last year's DEVit, no one came to give me a flower. So yeah, that's the main difference.
So the main difference is me.
The main difference is your flower.
Okay.
Your flower.